So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to replace your sensor wire on a JF100 exercise bike. To begin with, what you're going to want to do is to start removing your pedals. Next, what you want to do is remove your casing, and to do that we take a multi-tool again or another small screwdriver and remove all the screws on the right hand side of the casing. Next, remove the rubber guard from each side of the casing. So now your casing's free to be removed from the bike. Next, you'll need to use your Allen key in order to remove the bolts on the handlebar frame. Once your bolts are removed, lift up the handlebar frame and disconnect your sensor wire. The sensor can be found on the left hand side of the bike, held down by two small screws, which are these just here. Next, use your multi-tool to remove the sensor. Now simply unthread your sensor from the bike. And now to reattach a new sensor, simply reverse all the steps.